D-Wave Quantum Inc., QBTS, Support and Resistance Levels, Technical Analysis. Support levels, $19.24, July 17 close. Significance, the closing price on July 17, 2025 at $19.24 with a volume of 101,936,740 shares serves as the immediate support. It aligns with the Bollinger Band's upper band, $18.10, and is supported by strong volume, indicating a short-term floor. $17.10, July 17 low. Significance, the low on July 17, 2025 at $17.10 with a closing price of $19.24 and a volume of 101,936,740 shares marks a strong short-term support. This level is near the 5-day EMA at $17.22 and is reinforced by a significant volume spike. $16.91, July 16 close. Significance, the closing price on July 16, 2025 at $16.91 with a volume of 51,385,889 shares represents a medium-term support. This level aligns with the 5-day SMA at $15.94 and is backed by moderate volume, suggesting a consolidation zone. $14.02, June 27 close. Significance, the closing price on June 27, 2025 at $14.02 with a volume of 62,383,379 shares is a major long-term support. This level is supported by a significant volume spike and prior consolidation in late June, indicating strong buying interest. Resistance levels, $19.76.5, May 23 high. Significance, the high on May 23, 2025 at $19.76.5 with a closing price of $18.80 and a volume of 148,871,852 shares represents the immediate resistance. This level marks the period high, supported by strong volume, indicating a major barrier. $19.52, May 22 high. Significance, the high on May 22, 2025 at $19.52 with a closing price of $19.04 and a volume of 243,312,704 shares is a short-term resistance. This level is supported by an extreme volume spike, reinforcing its significance. $17.80, May 21 high. Significance, the high on May 21, 2025 at $17.80 with a closing price of $15.36 and a volume of 224,491,879 shares represents a medium-term resistance. This level is near the 20-day SMA at $15.69 and is backed by significant volume. $17.59, May 20 high. Significance, the high on May 20, 2025 at $16.56 with a volume of 308,820,196 shares is another major resistance. This level is supported by prior price action and an extreme volume spike. Technical indicators and support-resistance relationship. RSI 14, 67.82. RSI near the overbought region, greater than 70, suggests strong bullish momentum, supporting $19.24 as an immediate support. A drop below 65 could test $17.10, while sustained levels above 70 may challenge $19.76.5. Williams percent R, negative 4.87. Williams percent R indicates near overbought conditions, reinforcing $19.24 as a support. A move below negative 20 could signal a pullback towards $17.10 or $16.91. CCI 20, 237.07. The extremely high CCI value confirms strong bullish momentum, supporting $19.24 as a support. A decline toward 100 could align with $17.10. MFI 14, 69.97. The money flow index near overbought level supports $19.24 as a support. A drop below 65 could indicate a move towards $17.10. MACD 0.69, Signal 0.53, HIST 0.16. The positive MACD histogram confirms bullish momentum, supporting $19.24 as a support. A negative crossover could target $17.10. Arun Oscillator 92.86. The positive oscillator value indicates a strong uptrend, with $19.24 as a support. A move below 50 could test $17.10. OBV 767,403,775 shares. On-balance volume reflects heavy buying on May 8, 228,913,468 shares. May 9, 161,687,752 shares. May 15, 112,938,849 shares. May 16, 112,473,755 shares. May 20th, 308,820,196 shares. May 22nd, 243,312,704 shares. And July 17th, 101,936,740 shares, far exceed the average volume of around 20,000 to 60 million shares, indicating potential climax events. Supports at $19.24 and $17.10 are backed by volumes of 101,936,740 shares and 51,385,889 shares, respectively, while resistance at $19.76 and 5/10 is supported by a volume of 148,871,852 shares. Next trading day outlook. The July 17, 2025 close at $19.24 with RSI 67.82, Williams %R -4.87, and CCI 237.07, indicating strong bullish momentum, suggests potential for continued upward movement or a pullback towards $17.10 or $16.91. The opening price may range between $17.95 and $20.53, with $19.24 as a pivot. A breakout above $19.76 and 5/10 requires volume exceeding 100 million shares, while a drop below $17.10 could test $16.91 or $14.02. Conclusion and strategy. Support strategy. $19.24 and $17.10 are strong short-term supports for buying opportunities, with $16.91 as a medium-term fallback. Monitor volume increases greater than 100 million shares at these levels for confirmation. Resistance strategy. $19.76 and 5/10 is the immediate resistance. A breakout above this level is possible with volume exceeding 100 million shares, but near overbought indicators suggest caution. $19.52 and $17.80 are secondary resistances. Risk management. Set stop loss below $17.10 for short-term trades and $16.91 for medium-term positions. Consider profit taking near $19.76 and 5/10 due to strong resistance and high momentum indicators.